Hello guys, welcome back to this channel, and today's video I'm gonna teach you how to create like this floating Instagram post between these moving text lines. So make sure watch till the end to get the full workflow. And if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit like button. It's really helped me a lot to keep making tutorials for you. Also, all project files are available in the description, so feel free to download them and follow along. Without wasting any more time, let's dive right into the tutorial. First of all, create a composition. So I will name it main and keep the settings same 9020 by 1080 and duration 25 seconds and hit OK. Select the text and I will use this objective font and type your text, and I will use the font size 106. Okay, so select all text, so Ctrl A to select all and make a space and Ctrl V to paste. And guys, repeat the process. Ctrl V to paste, select all and Ctrl V to paste. Again, select all, Ctrl V to paste. Your text should be look like this, long text. Okay. After that, select the text and select the pen tool and make a shape something like this. So you have to make line something like this. After that, expand the text layer and expand text and expand path options and make the path to mask 1. Okay, so you will see like this your text. Now we'll create an outline. So unselect this text layer, select a pen tool and draw straight line. And I will use the stroke value 154. Okay, so name it line and move it under the text layer. After that, select the text layer and press M and expand the line, expand content and expand shape on path, and you will see like this spiral. If doesn't see, right click column and parent and link. This is spiral and make the parent with the mask path, something like this. Okay, now select both of these layers and press P and make this parent with this position. And again select both of these, press A, and now make the parent with the anchor point of the text. Now make the text center align with the outline. So select this baseline and decrease the value of this. So I will make it around -35 pixel. Okay, so this is center now. Select the text and expand the text and expand the path options and adjust the first margin. And if your text is moving, then you can use this, otherwise use the last margin. So hold Alt and click on it and type time asterisk 200 and your text should move something like this. Now shrink the layer and select the line layer and go to the effect and preset panel and search color gradient. And I will use this 4 color gradient and drag and drop onto the line and change the first color. So I will make this orange. You can copy the X code. Okay, and second color will be pink. You can copy the hex code and hit OK. And let's pick the color from the first and this color will be from the second, and you will see like this gradient. So let's adjust these points. So I will move this point here. You can adjust these points as per your requirement. Alright, so this first step is done. Let's adjust the line something like this. Okay, so select both of these and right click and pre-compose it and name it thread 1 and hit OK. After that, go to the project panel and select the thread 1 and Ctrl D to duplicate and drag and drop into the main composition. Right click next to these lines and you will see split screen option. So click on it. So split your screen and lock the first composition and unlock this composition, second one. Okay, so double click on this thread 2 and you will jump into this thread 2 composition. Okay, so we have to make one more line here. So select the text layer. So select this handle first one and move it here, and select this second one now and move it up and center, and you can adjust the handles as per requirement, but we have to make shape something like this. Okay guys. If you are facing problem to draw proper line, then you can download the screenshot of my design from the description, move it under all of these layers and select the text layer, and you can copy the screenshot outline. So I will make the same as screenshot outline. Alright, you can see this is same as a screenshot. So that's how you can copy all lines. So go back to the main composition, and I will select this thread 2 and control to duplicate and drag and drop into the main. And guys, double click again and select the text layer. Select this first handle and move it to the left side like this, and this one to the left, and this one as well left. And you have to make shape something like this. Go back to the main. Now we will duplicate these threads to continue these text lines. So I will select this thread 3 and Ctrl D to duplicate and press R and rotate it. Okay, rotate the text line, but before that close this composition and move it to the right corner. This line is cutting, but we have to continue the line. So click on this star, so it will be continue something like this. Alright, so move it to the corner. So this time we will duplicate the thread 2. So Ctrl D to duplicate thread 2 and move it up and press R. Rotate it -90 degree and it should go upside like this. Adjust the placement. Alright, so now we will Ctrl D to duplicate this again and move it to the left side corner and place it here. And again Ctrl D to duplicate and move it down, press R and rotate it something like this. And again let's rotate it and make placement something like this. Okay, now we have to make one more line in the center, but before that select all of these layers and go to the project panel and select this thread 3 and Ctrl to duplicate, drag and drop into the main. So isolate the layer. So this is our text line. So right click on the composition and split the screen and double click on the thread 4. Select the text here and follow me how am I making this shape. So guys, you have to make a shape something like this. After that select the line, go to the effect preset panel and move the point of these gradient colors. So I will move it to here and this one go here, and let's make something like this. Alright, so this is looking good now. Close the second composition. After that go to the main composition. Now I will make the small adjustment in the line layers. After that go to the main composition. Now select this last thread 2 layer, this corner layer, and we will change the color of this. So go to the effect and preset panel and search hue and saturation and apply onto this layer, and you can change the color as per your requirement. Another method to change the color, so double click on thread 2, select the line layer, adjust the 4 color gradient points location something like this. Okay, so I will change the first point color. So let's change the color to the purple, and second will be light purple. Let's make it lighter and hit OK. And third will be first color and fourth will be second color. Alright, so let's adjust the point something like this and go to the main. You will see all text line color are changed, and delete the hue and saturation. So guys, select this thread 2 corner layer, top corner layer, and go apply the hue and saturation, and let's make the hue value around +75. Alright, this is brown, so Ctrl C to copy this hue and saturation and select this right side layers, this one, and Control V to paste the hue and saturation. And let's change the color of this. So I will make it around 3, but before that double click on it and change. Let's change the light value of this. So I will move these points and change the color of this. Let's make it little lighter and hit OK. And go to the main again. After that, we will select this top thread 3 layer and apply hue and saturation and change the color of this. So I will make it plus 29 and move it under all of these layers. So these thread lines are done. After that, we will create the background behind these text lines. So right click and new and add a solid, black solid, and name it background and click on OK and move it under all of these layers and Control to duplicate and name it grid. Lock the background layer because we don't need to move it. Select the grid layer and go to the effect and preset panel and search grid and apply onto the grid layer and change the size from to the width slider and make the width 80 and border value 2 and opacity 20%. And after that, click on this anchor, hold Alt and click on it to add expression, and we will apply this expression. So Control V to paste. You can copy this expression from the description and shrink the layer. Alright, and if you play the animation, you will see this grid is also moving behind of the text lines. Now drag and drop this Instagram card into the main composition and scale the size, make it 60% and move the placement something here and right click, pre-compose it and name it card and hit OK and double click on it, and this size is too bigger, so go to the composition settings and make the click on this log aspect ratio and make the width size 50/100. After that, press S and decrease the card size and let's make it 40% and select the rectangle tool and make a shape around this Instagram post. So disable the stroke value and hit OK and adjust the size as per the Instagram post size, something like this. Alright, so I will change the color to any color, so I will make it little gray and hit OK. After that, drag and drop your any footage and move it under this shape layer and mask it with the shape layer. Alright, press S and scale the footage size as per the post size. Alright, this is good to me now. Let's make the rotating circle around the profile. Zoom in this profile. So let's draw a circle. So select this rectangle, press U and select this circle and make the circle and disable the fill and adjust the circle location and change the stroke color to the red. Make the stroke value 5 and change the stroke type to linear gradient and hit OK. Change the linear gradient color, so you can use this color and second one this color and hit OK. After that, click on this add icon and add a trim path and expand the trim path. Decrease the end value of this, so let's make it 44%. Now we will apply expression on this offset, so hold Alt to click on it to add expression and type time abstract 500. And this profile circle is rotating very well. Okay, so this portion is done. Hit the screen and go to the main composition and increase the size of this card. So press S, increase the size. So let's make it 44%. After that, let's move this card under the few text lines. So I will select this thread 4 and move it up to the card like this, and let's select this thread 2 layer and move it above the card. Now we will select this right side text line layer, this one thread 2, and move it above the card and select the card and change the color of this to yellow to make it more prominent. Now press R and you can adjust the rotation value as per your requirement. So I will keep it -1 and press P. We will add expression on it, so hold Alt, click on it and type wiggle open bracket 1, 35 close bracket. And if you play this one, you will see this card is floating. And play the animation, and this is looking really good, but let's make it more looking good. So we will select this top text layer, so this one. So go to the effect and preset panel and search drop shadow and apply onto it thread 2. Adjust the direction and distance. So let's make the direction value around plus 316. Make the distance value 11 and softness value, let's make it 60. Alright, this is looking good now. So I will Control D to duplicate this drop shadow, and let's move the softness value little bit 6 and distance value, let's make it 5. First drop shadow distance, let's make it 70 and opacity 33%. And let's make the softness value this one 6 and first softness value 30. You can copy these values. After that, select both of these drop shadows and Ctrl C to copy, and select all of these layers, expect this card and this thread too. Alright, so Ctrl V to paste the drop shadows. So this is looking really good. After that, select the card layer and drag and drop this drop shadow onto the card, and change the distance value around 42 and softness, let's make it 27 and Ctrl to duplicate drop shadow, and let's adjust the distance. So I will make it 67 and this one opacity 40% and second opacity let's make it 45. You can copy these two drop shadow adjustment values as well. Fit the screen and let's adjust these text lines. So I will select this thread 1 layer and move it above the thread 3 layer. Okay, it will look like this. After that, let's make the render area 40 seconds and select the thread 1 layer and go to the effect and control panel and change the direction of the shadows. Okay, this is looking good now, and we will select the thread 4 layer as well and go to the effect and control panel and change the direction of this as well. Okay, so this is looking really good. So congratulations guys, this animation is completed and hope you like this video. Thanks for the watching. If this tutorial helped you, please hit the like button and subscribe the channel. It really support and help me to keep making more content for you. You will find all the files and resources linked in the description, so go check them out. If you like the project file, just drop a comment and I will share it with you. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care and keep creating.